mind there. Tell me big pussy Brenda there. Cause I know a pussy them watch my life from far, you know. Yeah. The whole of them entertain about my life, you know. You see what I say? Yeah. No, mix up, but the boy I watch my life, man, I know that man, you see me? The whole of them, you see me, cause guess what, the whole of them tag each other now, I say, yo, you know what? I be a joke I go on over yet life, you know, I be a things I go on up. You see me? I want to entertain right now, you see me? Yeah, you see me? But I say, go, I know my life stay already, dog. I saw my life will go. You see me?
Welcome to Jamaica Vibes TV. Yeti Boss at them arguing. You know there's a drama. Everybody over Yeti Boss page. I don't know it already mix up and thing over there. CMR TV. Everybody. Dancer kid. You name it, the all works. Yeah man, and the one entitled MVP. Fear Tommy Lee. Yeah, so Yeti Boss broke down that earlier, you don't know it go already. Jamaica. World.
On YouTube, boy. You see me? But you feel like I cry about alkaline deceive. You see me? I say, you see me? When I say big pussy Brenda happy say CMR channel get deleted, but he never do nothing with it. You see me? He never do nothing with it, you know. Remember saying no? Big pussy Brenda up on YouTube before you all away, you know. And still not reach nowhere, you know. And that me I tell you. You see me? What the man do? You see me? What the man do? Me I tell you what big pussy Brenda do. Right? Someone that do a review, right? I'm gonna say, the cow jump over the moon. Pussy, you have your channel, me have my channel. You understand me? Wherever you put on your channel, I don't give a fuck what you put on your channel. Love me Bumbuckler channel. So if me say a cow jump over the moon, don't come correct me on my life, on my YouTube, but I write in the comment section, Yeti Boss, the cow didn't jump over the moon, it jump over the sun. Go suck out the moon, big thinking, pussy, me never answer that. Me say jump over the moon, and moon in jump over. You understand me?
Yeti Boss and
I go leave on my, then I go leave, me go so boom, and me do one next review. I say, yo, here what? Yeah man, see, when you do them type of review here, them review your conscious reviewer. Dad, don't tell me if you Bumbuckler do me a madman. Me not like you. You see me? Then now the pussy I go and violate now. I go put on my channel now. Oh, if you want to see Vice Cartel top 10 this or top 5 Bumbuckler this, go on my channel, dog. You just cross a blood clot line. Cause you not pay me for ads. And you can put ads on my channel, dog. You ever see me go around on a body channel and put ads, but if you want to see this, come over on Yeti Boss TV, come see it. So I did reply back to that ads and tell you to go suck out the more big stinking pussy, big pussy Brenda. You see me? Yeah. And then we go see madman attack to one milk can that make it even worse. You understand what I say? And then everything just fuck up from this up. You see me? Big pussy Brenda. Think me like him? Yeah. You see me?
This is a skin teeth scene. Everybody has skin teeth. Epic King, Sky Boss.
Then go school, go make man fuck them and grub them at school. And go on like them have sense. You see me?
Ian Nooks, Jordan.
Yeah.
Epic King, big old Brenda. I wanted them brother, yeah man. Who named Brenda? Oh, the one who named Brenda? Somebody comment and tell me who named Brenda.
Yeah man, I done them. I be a grub them get grub at school, man. Bumbuckler, yo, we say we like, yo, you know lamb for come on? Oh, Queen of Attraction say, yo, CMR TV, it's a man. Why you need to see him? You see me? Where Zuba there? Zuba there, boy? Zuba big up your damn self, brother. You see me? CMR want to know you, whoa. You see me? Oh, 0. Oh, up Dove Love.